Sky Fiber here. We're doing an unboxing of the Mavic Mini. It's one of the newest drones out by DJI. We have a ton of their other products, so we were pretty excited to get this in here and check it out. So here goes nothing. Look at it. So it comes in a pretty nice case. It's compact, I'd say. It's pretty light. I mean, just right off the back. Here.
This is half the size of the Mavic Pro. This thing is tiny.
It's literally tiny. What's this thing weigh? 249 grams. If I figure out how to open here. All right, well here it is. Like I said, it's pretty small, super light. The case it comes in is super small as well, pretty light. I mean, pretty easy to shove in a backpack
for
whatever you want. Yeah, I mean, some of the biggest differences between this drone and all their other ones is instead of 4K, it only does 2.7K. But I mean, if you're using this, you're probably not too concerned about getting the 4K video. So yeah, it's great for just throwing it up in the air real quick, getting some cool shots, some cool videos. But
yeah, definitely on the go.
Too. I think it's slower than the other ones, but I mean,
still 30-minute flight time. That's huge.
Like I said, this is perfect for just on the go.
Yeah,
you know, throw it in your bag and.
Yeah, that's like I was saying for when we were out in Maui, it would have been great for a lot of areas.
Well, and traveling too with it. I mean, you got this little tiny case to travel with. I mean, that's pretty nice. Everything comes together. A couple other things it comes with. It comes with a charger for all the batteries, so you can actually slide all of the batteries in here. And then plug it in, and it'll charge them all up together versus having to plug one in and then wait around for it to be done and swap it out. So that's pretty neat.
Yeah, that's super compact. I like how easy on the go that is. On the Mavic Pro, we had to pretty much order.
You have to order all this stuff. It didn't come with all this. So, because this is the Fly More combo, so this comes with all the battery chargers and all the extras. So. And for price wise, I mean, to go from the Mavic Mini to just the Fly More combo, you're only spending an extra $100 to get the extra batteries, the charger, some of the extra features that it comes with. So that's kind of nice. This is the controller here. One thing I do notice right off the back that's different about the other ones is there's no display. It's pretty just bare bones controller. I mean, but your phone runs everything else on there. So on your phone, it would show all the stuff that would normally show here. So that's, it's not nothing major.
Yeah, and I noticed that DJI made detachable joysticks, which is huge because one of our technicians actually broke one of his joysticks from carrying it around. So to be able to detach it, that's super cool.
Right. Yeah, just to be able to get it tucked out of the way so you don't accidentally break it, and that's pretty nice. It comes with all the different adapters for different phones, so iPhone, Samsung, or whatever phone you want to use, it should have the adapters. Comes with a couple extra propellers here, so it actually comes with 1, 2, 3 extra pairs. So they aren't full sets. The only thing I did notice, so a lot of the other ones, they have a quick detachable propellers. These are actually screwed in. So it's kind of it's a little bit harder to change them on the fly like the other ones. The other ones you can just twist off real quick and you can replace them. Yeah, so I mean, you look at these other ones, you're able to just
push it down,
and twist pop it out. So yeah, so that's a little bit different. But that's nothing major. I mean, carry a little screwdriver, I guess, with you, or don't crash and break your propellers. And that's one of the other ones. But just here's a size comparison between the Mavic Pro and Mini here. I mean, so you can see those are pretty major in difference, and weight, I'd say. I mean, they're drastically different, which that's nice. I mean, again, this one does only do 2.7K, and it is slower to fly around, but
I think it's super beneficial for people that travel a lot. So people that are constantly on the go and are just trying to get footage compared to having to carry this around. I know when we went to Maui, I had to do this as a carry-on.
Now, yeah, I mean, in my opinion, that's just a good everyday drone, get it out and get in your pictures and stuff. But as far as if you're trying to go get some good content, or not good content, but you know, you want to be out there flying for longer and you're trying to see some more, I would recommend the bigger one. But I mean, this one is perfect for day-to-day use. You know, light, compact, easy to use. So, and the price, I mean, again, is less than those bigger drones. So let's see what else comes here in the box with it.
Yeah, so it looks like it also has the USB-C, the iPhone.
All the adapters.
Yeah, all the adapters for the smartphones that are currently on the market today.
Yeah, and then it comes with the guards.
Shields, the guards.
Yeah, so
It's huge.
open this thing.
Kids can fly them in the house now.
Yeah, right. It won't get wrapped up in your hair as easily. So, so yeah, it comes with these guards. It looks pretty straightforward. Let me see if we can figure this out real quick. So I think take these guys. Just pop it out, just like that. One way or another they go on here, but we're gonna be doing a follow-up of getting the rest of this stuff put together. You know, once apparently I need some practice putting these things on. I thought I got it figured out, but apparently I didn't. But you know, alrighty. So one more thing I want to take a look at is just the batteries. It's complicated.
I think I'm gonna get it. I think I got it.
You know, there are going to be follow-ups videos that continue going over some of the other features of these and everything else that comes with them. So some of those stuff, so it comes with 3 batteries, which is pretty nice. It's a pain when it comes with 1 battery and then you're having to buy new batteries, so it's kind of nice it comes with 3.
Well, at least for how more compact it is you still get 30-minute flight time. That's
right,
huge.
exactly. I mean, and the size makes a big difference. So, yeah. So I mean, here's the batteries. They just slip right in here, plug in like that. You're charging. So that's pretty neat. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a follow-up video to go over some more of the basic features of these and the basic setup. So,
the next video
if you
will
guys have
be
any
us
questions,
flying.
feel free, make sure to post them. And one more thing, a couple other things on the website here. You can go and you can see, here's 2 different prices here. So you have the Mavic Mini, which is just your basic combo. So you can see it doesn't come with, I don't think it comes with the extra batteries, it doesn't come with the chargers, it doesn't come with all that stuff. So, like I said, for another $100, you're getting a couple extra batteries. So that's pretty neat. And then again, if you dig through our website a little more, you can find all the specs on these breakdown. If you want to further break down everything it does, we probably won't go that into depth. So if you are curious, the best thing to do is to go to DJI's website and look up the Mavic Mini. You can see all the specs for the drone there. So if you guys have any other questions or anything you'd like to see, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.